it is essential to bring in the spirit of creativity, lo spirito della creatività. The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it! So I have taught you a lot of technical things, which is all necessary. But now that you have that, explore, have fun with it. Bring the whole of your attention and presence to the creative process. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. There are no mistakes. There are no mistakes. Watch old videos of Karl Lagerfeld sketching. He would do one, didn't like it, throw it away, boom, start all over again. You see, sometimes when we have to rip something apart and do it again, that's when the magic happens. The inspiration, a new idea is born. Bring color and texture and balance to your work and reframe failure and mistakes as failing forward towards what you will ultimately arrive at in design. So don't forget that along with all these technical things, it is essential to bring in the spirit of creativity, lo spirito della creatività. Ci vediamo in classe. Ciao. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.